A rocket built by Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin space company lifted off in apparent success on Sunday, with its booster landing cleanly on a barge in the Atlantic Ocean. But within hours, it became clear that the mission had failed in its primary goal, placing a commercial satellite onto the correct orbit. AST Spacemobile of Midland, Texas, later confirmed that its Bluebird 7 communications satellite was left in an orbit too low to sustain operations, effectively ending the mission. The setback affects not just Blue Origin and AST Spacemobile, but could also have implications for NASA. While the agency was not directly involved in this launch, it is relying on Blue Origin for its Artemis moon program. Blue Origin is one of the two companies selected by NASA to develop lunar landers that will carry astronauts from lunar orbit to the moon's surface, with missions targeted as early as 2028. Since these landers are to be launched aboard the New Glenn rocket, any delays now add uncertainty to an already ambitious timeline. An investigation is now underway with oversight from the Federal Aviation Administration to determine what went wrong and how to fix it. Until then, the New Glenn rocket has been grounded. Sunday's launch from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station saw a brief hold before liftoff proceeded normally. The booster separated and landed successfully, while the upper stage carried the satellite onto space. During a planned second burn, one of the engines failed to produce enough thrust. The satellite was left in an orbit too low to operate effectively, ending the mission. Tracking later suggested that it may have re-entered the atmosphere, though some uncertainty remains about the exact sequence of events. The development and pressure to NASA's goal of returning astronauts to the moon within the next 2 years, a timeline that leaves little room for setback. At the same time, NASA has marked a significant milestone by rolling out the largest section of its Space Launch System rocket from the Michoud Assembly Facility in New Orleans. The second company developing a lunar lander for NASA is SpaceX, led by Elon Musk. Its Starship vehicle is also behind schedule following multiple failures last year, though a new launch attempt is expected soon. Next on NASA's schedule is the Artemis III mission next year. Although it will remain in Earth orbit, the mission will involve complex coordination, including docking exercises between multiple spacecraft. Astronauts aboard the Orion crew capsule, which recently completed a successful around-the-moon mission, are expected to meet with landers from both SpaceX and Blue Origin, launched separately. The operation will require multiple launches within a short period and precise coordination between NASA and its commercial partners.